Hello, today I'm here with Paul Pizoritz, the Global Product Line Manager for Aerosol, Gas, and Airborne Molecular Contamination, and we're going to talk about the HandiLaz Mini. So Paul, in what situations would I use a HandiLaz Mini?
Well, primarily it'd be for troubleshooting and diagnostics. For example, either pinpointing particle sources, verifying cleanroom levels in between certifications, or monitoring confined areas, especially due to its small size.
So then, what are some of the main advantages of the HandiLaz Mini 2?
That's a good question. One of the first advantages is it's a ready-to-run product, meaning that you order a single part number and it contains everything that the user will need to operate in their application. So this is obviously the instrument, a power supply, zero count filter, a temperature relative humidity probe, of course your IsoConnect probe, adapters such as the USB cable, SD card, and batteries. Also, it has an intuitive touchscreen display. So you have one power button and one start and stop button. Everything else is handled on the touchscreen. Yeah, furthermore, there's multiple screens available as well, including a standard multi-channel display that you'll see on other particle counters, but you also have a cleanroom comparison screen, which enables you to compare real-time, compare an environment to established ISO or FED standards, lets you know if you're actually at that cleanroom level or not. You also have a single channel and range screens that utilize the onboard pulse height analyzer to focus in on a specific particle size or range. And finally, the last main advantage I'd like to discuss is the fact it's the smallest particle counter in its class by far. This instrument's small size allows a technician to store in their drawer or in another small space, and the low cost allows for multiple units for each department or group as well.
Great. So who would buy this instrument?
Well, it's a wide array of users and applications. So you can either have, on one hand, you could have a manufacturer that just installed a clean room space or a clean room, and they need basic particle monitoring capability, and this instrument allows you to do that. On the other end of the spectrum, you have large-scale clean rooms that use the HandiLaz Mini 2 in conjunction with complementary instruments, such as our AirNet, our IsoAir, or lasers as part of a facility management system solution. And finally, you have those in the middle. They'll have mid-sized clean rooms that desire a more compact instrument for troubleshooting and diagnostics.
So if someone wanted to learn more about this instrument, how would they go about that?
Well, please visit our website at www.pmeasuring.com and search for the HandiLaz Mini 2. We have technical documents and videos that provide great insight into the operation and performance of the instrument.
Well, thank you, Paul. That was very informative.